Hi, you are watching Kids Screen Learning.
Hello kids, today we learn ABC animals. Let's start. Ant. Ant.
With big furry feet. C for cat, who loves to purr. D for duck with the quacking blur. E for elephant, so grand and tall. F for frog, who jumps with a call.
Bear.
G for goat, so
Bear.
strong and bold. H for
Bear.
horse with the mane of gold. I for iguana, slow and green. J for jaguar, sleek and keen. K for kangaroo, who hops around. L for lion
Cat.
with a mighty sound.
Cat.
M for monkey, swinging in
Cat.
trees. N for narwhal, swimming with ease. O for owl, so wise and bright. P for penguin, sliding in the night. Q for quail, with feathers so
Duck.
fine. R for rabbit,
Duck.
hopping in line.
Duck.
S for snake, so slithery and long. T for tiger, with stripes so strong. U for Urial, jumping high. V for vulture, soaring the sky. W for
Elephant.
wolf, howling at night.
Elephant.
X for Xerus, running in
Elephant.
flight. Y for yak, with the shaggy coat. Z for zebra, with stripes afloat. From A to Z, the animals play. A wonderful world in
Frog.
every way. From ants so
Frog.
tiny and neat.
Frog.
For bear with big furry feet. C for cat, who loves to purr. D for duck with the quacking blur. E for elephant, so grand
Goat.
and tall. F for frog,
Goat.
who jumps with a call.
Goat.
G for goat, so strong and bold. H for horse with the mane of gold. I for iguana, slow and green. J for jaguar, sleek and keen. K for kangaroo,
Horse.
who hops around.
Horse.
L for lion with a mighty
Horse.
sound. M for monkey, swinging in trees. N for narwhal, swimming with ease. O for owl, so wise and bright. P for penguin, sliding in the night.
Iguana.
Q for quail,
Iguana.
feathers so fine. R
Iguana.
for rabbit, hopping in line. S for snake, so slithery and long. T for tiger, with stripes so strong. U for Urial, jumping
Jaguar.
high. V for vulture,
Jaguar.
soaring the sky. W
Jaguar.
for wolf, howling at night. X for Xerus, running in flight. Y for yak, with the shaggy coat. Z for zebra, with stripes afloat.
Kangaroo.
To Z, the animals
Kangaroo.
play. A wonderful world.
Kangaroo.
Every way. From A to Z, the animals play. A wonderful world in every way. From A to Z, the animals
Lion.
play. A wonderful world
Lion.
in every way. From A
Lion.
to Z, the animals play. A wonderful world in full star, so tiny and neat. B for
Monkey.
bear, with big furry feet.
Monkey.
C for cat, who loves
Monkey.
to purr. D for duck with the quacking blur. E for elephant, so grand and tall. F for frog, who jumps with a call. G for goat,
Narwhal.
so strong and bold.
Narwhal.
H for horse with the mane of
Narwhal.
gold. I for iguana, slow and green. J for jaguar, sleek and keen. K for kangaroo, who hops around. L for lion with a
L.
mighty sound. M
L.
for monkey, swinging in trees.
L.
N for narwhal, swimming with ease. O for owl, so wise and bright. P for penguin, sliding in the night. Q for quail, with feathers so fine. R
Penguin.
for rabbit, hopping in line.
Penguin.
S for snake, so
Penguin.
slippery and long. T for tiger, with stripes so strong. U for Urial, jumping high. V for vulture, soaring the sky.
Quail.
U for wolf, howling
Quail.
at night. X for Xerus,
Quail.
running in flight. Y for yak, with the shaggy coat. Z for zebra, with stripes afloat. From A to Z, the animals play.
Rabbit.
A wonderful world in every
Rabbit.
way. From ant so tiny
Rabbit.
and neat. B for bear with big furry feet. C for cat who loves to purr. D for duck with the quacking blur. E
Snake.
for elephant so grand and tall.
Snake.
F for frog
Snake.
who jumps with a call. G for goat, so strong and bold. H for horse with the mane of gold. I for iguana, slow and green. J
Tiger.
for jaguar, sleek and keen.
Tiger.
K for kangaroo who
Tiger.
hops around. L for lion with a mighty sound. M for monkey, swinging in trees. N for narwhal, swimming with ease. O for owl, so wise and bright.
Urial.
P for penguin, sliding in
Urial.
the night. Q for
Urial.
quail, with feathers so fine. R for rabbit, hopping in line. S for snake, so slithery and long. T for tiger, with stripes so strong.
Vulture.
U for Urial,
Vulture.
jumping high. V for
Vulture.
soaring the sky. W for wolf, howling at night. X for Xerus, running in flight. Y for yak with the shaggy coat.
Wolf.
Z for zebra with
Wolf.
stripes afloat. From A
Wolf.
to Z, the animals play. A wonderful world in every way. From A to Z, the animals play. A wonderful world in every way.
Xerus.
From A to Z, the animals
Xerus.
play. A wonderful world
Xerus.
in every way. From A to Z, the animals play. A wonderful world in full star, so tiny and
Yak.
neat. B for bear,
Yak.
with big furry feet.
Yak.
C for cat who loves to purr. D for duck with the quacking blur. E for elephant, so grand and tall. F for frog who jumps with a call. G for goat, so strong
Zebra.
and bold. H for horse
Zebra.
with the mane of gold.
Zebra.
I for iguana, slow and green. J for jaguar, sleek and keen. K for kangaroo who hops around. L for lion with the mighty
Thanks for
sound.
watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.
Swing